Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English about informal English and formal English. Okay everyone, let's take a look. Number 1, soon, shortly. Number 2, today, this day. Number 3, now, presently. Number 4, tomorrow, the day after. Number 5, yesterday, the day before. Number 6, later, afterwards. Number 7, sometimes, occasionally. Number 8, often, frequently. Number 9, never, not ever. Number 10, after, following. Number 11, ago, previously. Number 12, then, next. Number 13, last week, previous week. Number 14, next month, upcoming month. Okay everyone, that's our vocabulary this morning. Thank you very much for watching and listening. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.